I found out that this is a fake. So yeah, I was scammed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm going to show you another bag from our collection. So this is from Marc Jacobs. So this is one of my favorite brands ng mga mid-range bags. So currently, this bag na ipapakita ko, meron ako medium size nito. This one is a tote bag from Marc Jacobs. And it's in jacquard. So I just wanted to share with you kasi um, I'm quite disappointed when I got this bag kasi I found out that um, this is a fake. So it's like a class A. Akalain mo na original siya, pero it's actually not. So I just wanted to share this video guys for awareness for all those na mahilig sa mga bags kagaya ko and mahilig din bumili online. So not all bags that we can buy online are good or authentic, original. So we really need to be cautious with the online sellers na nakaka-transact natin. So, ito naman kasi guys, I bought this in Carousel. So, the seller, nakabili na ako sa kanya before ng isang Michael Kors na bag. So, ang mga binebenta niya is mga pre-love bags din. So, yung Michael Kors Carina na bag yata yun is in very good condition and it's original. Tapos, siguro mga after ilang, siguro mga um, more than 1 year na, nung na-check ko ulit yung profile niya sa Carousel. Kasi bihira talaga akong bumili sa Carousel. So, nung nakita ko ulit yung profile niya, ang daming magagandang styles. And parang mga almost parang mga like new condition, ganyan. And then, I found this bag. Meron kasi akong medium size itong tote bag na to. And this one is the mini version. So, I'll show it to you na nga, guys. Ayan. Meron akong medium size na kasya yung laptop ko. I use it for office ng ganitong style. As in, ganitong style. This one is jacquard material. Tapos may nakalagay siya dito na the tote bag. So, na-amaze lang ako na merong mini size ng tote bag na kagaya ng bag ko. And it's also Marc Jacobs. And I have experience buying na din kasi dito sa seller na to. So, hindi ako nagdalawang isip na bumili ulit sa kanya. So, I got two tote bags. Yung isa is leather na the tote bag in color luggage. Pero yun talaga, na-return ko talaga yun sa kanya kasi talagang feel at naamoy ko talaga na amoy synthetic leather siya and it's not original. So, this one, I kept it kasi the seller still insists na both bags are original. Pero this one, I know the moment pa lang na ina-unbox ko siya from delivery, I know na this is not original. Kasi same with the leather, nung luggage brown na the tote bag, talagang um, ganun yung amoy niya. Hindi sulit yung ibinayad ko dito. Pero since, alam mo yun, habang tumatagal, ang hirap ng kontakin ng seller, as in, hindi na siya nagre-respond. Ang dami na niya mga dahilan na, yeah. So, naging lesson na lang din na ayoko na rin bumili talaga sa carousel kasi kahit first time kong nangyari sa akin yun. So, na-trauma na rin akong bumili ulit sa carousel. I'm still enjoying the bag. So, yeah, it's very cute. It's very handy. So, I just use it as my everyday bag. Yeah. So, it's handbag or sling bag. Minsan, pinapalitan ko siya nung other sling strap nung aking Marc Jacobs na bag na medyo wide strap. So, yun siya guys. Yun lang. So, payo ko na lang din sa inyo na be very cautious when buying anything online. So, ensure na legit yung seller. And kung hindi kayo sure kung legit yung seller, at kung gustong-gusto niya talaga yung items, so, check for feedbacks ng seller na yun or ng online store na yun. And as much as possible, kung pwede yung COD, and kung you can check out to a platform like yung sa Shopee or TikTok so that you have a chance to return the item if hindi nyo siya nagustuhan. So, yun lang naman for me, guys. So, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much and see you on my next vlog.